Hello, at this stage you have already found a team of like-minded fellows and hired employees burning with laser tag. There is a hangar or just a room without partition that has unglazed windows and, for example, columns, so this is what you can and should do. The place should be as clean as possible, throw out all the dangerous garbage. Well, remove any garbage. This stage doesn't require significant financial investments, it just takes your time or that of your employees. Be aware of drafts. At first, try to close the windows and install glass units in the future. Pay attention to the floor. If it's a surface made of concrete, the cement dust will rise from constant running. We should prevent that. The cheapest option is to cover the floor with liquid glass in 2 layers. You'll see the difference and it will be easier to clean the room. You can also use some polymer and epoxy paint in key areas such as game bases. The next step is to build a weapons and a briefing room. Then you'll need electricity, network connectivity and lighting. So, your playground is ready to meet new visitors, but we doubt that they'll like playing in some room without places to hide. Such places may have sandbags, tires, stacks of boards, tents and other things. It's possible to hold sports laser tag events provided you have inflatable figures. This approach is much quicker and safer. Games with 3, 5 or 9 players and each team will be very hot and dynamic. Sports laser tag events can also be held outdoors. Please see the description below the video. If you have permanent game locations, then be sure to keep them clean. Don't forget about the dangerous areas, they should be removed or closed. If you want to play outdoors, a small tent will help, it can serve you as a briefing room. If several different clubs have planned for a certain playground, make an online schedule where the date and time of your games will be indicated. The early bird gets the worm, there will be no dispute about who is playing today or tomorrow. Cybertag arena equipment is a bit more complicated thing that requires more money, but the payback period is much faster. Arenas are located at shopping centers where safety requirements and, first of all, fire safety must be observed. Usually, rented locations will already have ventilation, but it will not be enough. Take care of really good ventilation, because Cybertag is constant movement of several people in a confined space. You need a separate type of lighting for the game. Use fluorescent lamps and don't forget to paint all the arena objects. For other tasks, any lamps will be okay. After all, Cybertag is a futuristic game and the design of the arena must match the style of the game. We recommend you hire a designer and a painter to make the arena unique. You can use the theme of space, Star Wars, far future, or for example move away from stereotypes and try a pirate style. Remember, safety is above all, no dangerous corners. The walls should be covered with soft materials to prevent injuries, and don't forget instructing the players. We have a separate video on this subject, you can find the link in the description. There are 3 zones in Cybertag: a game zone, a briefing room and a staff room. There may be also auxiliary rooms and rooms for gatherings. Children often come to the arena to celebrate someone's birthday. Between the rounds or after the game, your clients will be glad to drink tea in a special place for that purpose. Cybertag is impossible to imagine without a maze. You should definitely build it. Just a few defensive constructions here and there will not help. We recommend you build a real maze. The arena should also have several speakers. Our software supports both background music and all sorts of interactive sound effects, depending on your teammates' actions. To ensure that new customers are not bored, install surveillance cameras and monitors in the staff and briefing rooms. Laser tag business is a new fascinating world that can bring good income and a lot of positive emotions to you and your clients. Please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.